this is one of the ranches we've restored. We have a team of biologists that go out and and visit sites and write management plans. This ranch we did before we hired these people. We started here with Bert Pecor, the previous owner, and he was a very conservation-minded person. His wife, he, and his daughter, and they took hold of it. And boy, he was adamant. They were adamant about making this place into a restored habitat, bringing back the natives. And Bert was real proud of his native track, a relic track. We'll see today in the back. There's a remnant of native grass back there, and very few of those you find anymore, you know. There you go, hoof, match, plow, the axe, the gun. And with the Wildlife Habitat Federation that Jim and I are members of, we also use two more tools. And those tools are proper seed selection. If you go back in these tracks we look at today, you'll see predominantly little blue stem. That's the most popular and the best, I guess, for upland birds, quail especially, because it provides a good nesting cover. And you know, it has some seed eating value to it. But you know, you got to have the right mixture of plants. So we try to add plants. We try to. The little blue stem is a great plant. It's probably the best. But some species might like eastern gamma grass, or Indian grass, or switchgrass. So those four are the big four in Texas. It's native grass that never has been plowed. Mm. It's never been under cultivation.
Wow.
So you're standing in something you may not see ever again in this area, but very few of them around. But this is a real relic. This is what this land looked like when the European settlers came in here in this area. It's all under. This is predominantly a little blue stem, the tall stuff. It's in its dormant state right now. It's coming back. I think it's all primarily little blue stem.
What type of nesting boxes?
For the wood ducks.
For the wood ducks?
Yeah, so you got to get them out there, you know, sometime in February. So I got mine out in February, and you know, put little shavings in the bottom of it and tilt them a little bit so the white and water didn't go in there. I haven't looked to see if anything's in there yet, but.
Isn't that a great shot?
That's a great.
Hello, guy.